Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you on the video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and delete your AI on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first thing will be simply going to your Snapchat itself and accessing your account. Make sure you're logged in as well. Right, so if you go to this chat box section, you can see your My AI bot, or you can see that appears on top of your chats. So if you go, you can obviously use it according to your liking. Even if you go to this bot's profile, do not have any options where you can actually remove them. And even if you go to this chat settings, you only have option of hide chats or message notifications turning off, or keep snap and chat. Those are the only options available for it. You do not have actual option for it to remove it. So for that matter, you're gonna go back, go to your profile, go to settings, and scroll down till you find this option called support option called I need help. You're gonna go to search and type in remove. How do I unpin or remove my AI with Snapchat? That's what you're gonna search for, and in this section you can say to unpin my AI from chat with Snapchat, tap the Snapchat plus banner on your profile screen, toggle my AI from pinned to unpin. So both of this you can see in here in the Snapchat plus. You can find that option for you to use, for you to remove your my AI. For that matter, you do have to get a subscription for Snapchat plus as well. And this is it for you guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. So Keta, why do you